Have you got your brand new Epson EcoTank 4850 and you're looking forward to setting it up and using it, but do not know the process? In this video, I'll show you complete procedure for setting up your Epson EcoTank printer so you can start printing right away. If you need more help, you can dial the numbers on the screen at any point of time to get real-time guidance from our experts. So let's start with the setup process now. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, you need to unbox your Epson printer and remove all the tape. After that, attach the power cable to an electric outlet. Now, simply press the power button to turn on your device. Next, you need to choose your preferred language. Here, we will choose English. After that, you'll see a screen something like this. Go ahead and click on the Continue Setup without an app option. You will be asked to choose the country, so select it. Further, you will be asked to choose some other options, which you can choose accordingly. Now, you will see the screen to fill the provided link. We will do it in a while. Also, if you find these steps easy and helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's continue with the further steps. What you will need to do is lift the printer's top cover, open the ink cover. Then, fill each tank of the ink given in the bottles. Once that's done, close everything as it was before. Move to the touchscreen panel and tap on Proceed. You need to press Proceed multiple times to select each color. When you're on the screen, press the question mark button and then select Start. After that, you can complete the process of print adjustments. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.